Jenny, let's see what's inside. Okay, be careful with your life. Let's see what's inside. Okay. Yes, the front side. Oh, so take out the black sheet cover. Let's see what it is. It is the Fury Gravity side-mounted toolbox. So, can we take it out? Are you strong enough to do it by yourself, Jenny?
Okay, we need a assistant.
A gentleman, right? Okay, to put it on the floor, yeah. Okay, thank you. Okay, so let's open it. Yeah, there are two twists. Twist to open it. Yeah. Wow. So this side-mounted box, in fact, this can be a small table during your camping. And let's take out the second layer. Yeah, oh, this is automatic switch. You can press and then open it. Yeah. This is a show us the light. Yeah,
Here.
this is a light. Yes, and it can last for 5 to 6 hours during your camping. And there are two hydraulic ports which can support the open and closing of the box. So let's look at the seal. You know, the seal. It's very soft and it can prevent the abnormal noise problem when driving. And also it has a better performance of sealing. There is no need to use the gel when you install the side box. So Jenny, let's see what's inside. These are some accessories. So let's see the main function of this side box. Can we take out all these accessories? Yes. Ja, help Jen. Thank you. Wow. So after we take out the accessories, this is the main space of the box. You can put the ARB air pump inside, and also you can put some emergency kits like fire extinguisher and toolkit. So can we see the back side of the box? Back side. Yes. Yes, back side. Wow.
Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber, yes, the material is carbon fiber. And this is the back. There are some strengthened types. You can also tighten some of the keys on it. Yes. So if you are interested in this product, please follow our YouTube channel and contact us freely. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Jenny. Thank you, John. Thank you.